little bit about myself. My name is Hartini Ayuning Tias, and I'm a student of English Language Education in Asa Unggul University. Today, I'm gonna tell you about public speaking material for the 11th session, and this is about informing in the speech. Now, I want to share about planning a strategy in the speech. First, defining specific purpose. Yeah, you have to know what you want to achieve in your speech. To make the audience laugh, or to teach the audience about something new, and so on. And then, informing your audience. Of course, to do this, your ideas must be clear, accurate, and interesting, because the audience will learn something new, and then they will make connection in their lives. Okay, next is about clarifying your informative goals. You must clarify what you want to achieve in your informative speech. First goal is to providing new information or perspective. Sometimes people don't understand what lies behind general knowledge, so it is important to moving listener from a broad understanding to a more detailed awareness of the issues. Okay, and next is to create a positive or negative feeling. As we know that knowledge enables people to make an intelligent choices. So, giving information will make people feel better about their abilities and then to control their lives. Okay, and last one, I want to share about informative strategies. So, what are some informative strategies? Okay, first, defining. It used to introduce about something new, and can make the speech develop details. Okay, and the second is reporting. Select this strategy if your analysis of audience need to explain a complex events by identifying each of its component. The third is describing. Yes, it will make the listener understand about the new ideas from what you deliver. Okay, and the fourth is explaining. In this strategy, you have to explain the complex process to a simple sequence of steps. And the fifth is demonstrating. Sometimes the goal is not just to listener understand about something, but to enable the listener to do it themselves. And the sixth is storytelling. Okay, storytelling can make your topic more interesting to the audience, and this is contain some structure and organization for the speech. And the last one is comparing. Yeah. In this strategy, you must clarify to the audience about the differences and similarities between the items that compare. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening me. Stay healthy and bye.